Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we will learn adjectives, parts of speech. Adjective modifies noun and pronoun. Example: the red roses were beautiful. Red is adjective. Roses are the noun and red gives more information about roses and hence it plays the role of adjective. One more example: my friend is bad guy. So bad is adjective which qualifies that. In this sentence, bad gives more information or tells about quality of my friend. Hence, bad is an adjective. Adjective provides answer to following questions: which one, how many, whose, what kind. So once again, which one, how many, whose, what kind. Types of adjectives. 9 types are there. Descriptive adjectives, quantitative adjectives, proper adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, indefinite adjectives, articles, compound adjectives. Now we'll see one by one. Descriptive adjectives. Definition: they are also known as qualitative adjectives since they modify noun or pronoun, provide information. So descriptive, describing noun or pronouns. For example, one: Sam has new car. New. So he has a car now, either that new or old, like that. New is car is the noun and new gives more information about the car and hence it plays the role of adjective. It is a new car. One more example: the lonely husband is bored. Lonely. Husband is the subject and hence adds more information to the subject. Lonely is an adjective. This shows husband is lonely and bored. One more, second one: quantitative adjectives. Along with modifying the noun or pronoun, they provide information on quantity. For example, Sam has 50 rupees in his pocket. 50 is adjective. 50 answers the question how much money does Sam has. One more example: my parents has 3 children. 3. 3 answers the question how many children do my parents have. Next, proper adjectives. When proper nouns modify other nouns or pronouns, they play the role of proper adjectives, which means specific. For example, Japanese people are active. Japanese is a proper noun and gives information for the noun and hence it plays the role of proper adjective. I love American movie. American is a proper noun and gives information for the movies and hence it plays the role of proper adjective. So like a specific nouns, Japanese and American, like that. Next, demonstrative adjectives. They include words this, that, these and those. They place come before the noun. They modifies and refer to something or someone. For example, this book is yours. When we are indicating to the book and hence that used this right before the book noun. And those buildings are tall. Those, we are indicating to the building and hence used those right before the building. Those. These, these, that, these, those are demonstrative adjectives. Possessive adjectives. They show possessions and belongings. My, her, their, yours, etc. are some of the possessive adjectives. They also come before the noun. See, our work is mostly done. Our is possessive adjective. We are showing those, sorry, we are showing whose work and hence used our right before the work noun. My house is in London. My is possessive adjective. We are talking about house that belongs to me and hence used my right before the house noun. Like my, our, her, they, their, your, his, him. These are possessives. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative, they are used to ask questions. It is important. Which, what, and whose are the interrogative adjectives. They always come before noun or pronoun. For example, which place do you want to visit in summer vacation? Which used place before the noun. So, which is adjective. Whose house is this? Whose used before the house. So whose is adjective. Here some more are there. What, WH1. What, why, whose, which, when, how much, how many, these. And infinitive. Infinite articles, sorry, infinite adjectives. They are used to provide unspecific information about the noun. Some of them infinite adjectives are few, all, each, either. These are the indefinite, indefinite adjectives. Some are there. Few, all, each, either, many, or. These are. Ash wants some candies. Each each player will have to score a goal to win the match. Some, each. So we are not specific about candies or a goal. So that's our players. That's why these plays indefinite. Next, articles. Refer to detailed description on articles in separate chapter. We can see one more chapter for articles itself. The last one, compound adjectives. We have discussed about compound nouns that they are formed by joining two separate nouns. When these compound nouns modify other nouns, they become compound adjectives. Two, three words joined together. For example, Ash has 3 feet dog, 3 foot dog. Sam as part-time worker at a bank. See, like this. Timetable, work hour, these. This is adjective, and adjective which is a part of a speech. Remain parts of speech shall see in next videos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.